You could pass the picture here. I swear. So, look on the price for this cabbage at Shoppers Fair Junction, St. Elizabeth. May I wonder if me I say right or may I say doubles. Is that $2,555.08? Me really I wonder if me I say good. Because me a yard man. And when me usually live a yard, me use cabbage stone dog. And it never say expensive. So when cabbage reach them price there? Somebody tell me. Somebody tell me when cabbage reach them price there? Me curious. Is it because it was imported? Where it come from? Green cabbage, imported product of USA. So because I'm Mellissa this time make every single thing get so expensive. One cabbage. And not even so much for it up here. For that up here, about $3 a pound. And $3 not even equivalent to $600 or $700 good. So when since cabbage gets so expensive, somebody come tell me. Somebody come and tell me when cabbage gets so expensive. Because that not right. Shoppers Fair, me think, yeah, overdo it. Rated and a St. Elizabeth too. Anyway, when you drop a comment, make me hear what I have to say about this. A cabbage price, yeah. If this real. Drop a comment and make me hear. And also, like and share this video. I'm out.